Here I am logged into admin dashboard Shopify, and here in this video I will show you how you can hide some product or some product from shop page of your website. Like if you have added some product, but as of now you don't want to display your product to user. What you can do? You can see when I go on catalogs, here list of all products show here. Now suppose I don't want to show some product to front end. I want it in backend, but as of now, I don't want any user to buy it and want to display that product as of now. For that, what you need to do, go here, go to product. Now go to click on which product that you want to hide from front end or shop page. Now after clicking on here, you don't need to change any detail, just leave it as it is. Click on status and just select draft. When you select the status draft, now it will not display on front end. Here you can see this is my product name. As of now, it is showing here, but when I refresh it, you can see that product is not showing on front end. You can't even able to search that product. It will not show. It will not display to any user anywhere online. It is a hidden product. Like it only admin can view it from backend. No one can view from front end. You can preview it if you want to see how your product look, but no user can able to view it, purchase it or anything. It can be only visible to admin. So that's why you can, if you want to show some product or hide some product from content, you can just change the status of product from active to draft. And it happens sometimes like if you created a new product, added a new product, but it is in draft, so it may not display on front end. Keep that in mind. If you want to display your product, change to Clipstreak. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.